Yep, that time again. Time of the month again. Shark Week, better known as lemon meringue pie from Nightingale ice cream sandwiches. Golden crust brown sugar cookies with 1 billion calories in it and 6 billion marshmallow cream, sesame. All right, let's look at this bad boy. See, you guys didn't really. I mean, yeah, looks good, don't it? Doesn't it? I'd say so. But what do I know? Yeah. No. Let's try it. Ooh. That is delightful. That is superb. That is a refreshing. That is the most refreshing ice cream sandwich I've ever had. I would recommend that you get that.